Hey, what's up, Gordo? I just wanted to show you, I have this brand new old stock timing cover. It's actually a late 1.9 replacement, so it actually has the hole in the side for the fuel pump. But what's interesting is it has this little boss here, because obviously they standardized the covers themselves and just made some machining changes to suit early versus late. But I wanted to show you, I found these gears, cleaned them up a little bit. They're not perfect, but they're not horrible. And I just want to plop them in there to show you. Dry gear, and they should certainly spin pretty easily, even without lubricant, you know. And when I talked about backlash, we're talking about this dimension here, literally between the gears. So, like, let's see if you can see it in the video, like literally there. And they're only taking a corner of the thing, feeler gauge, but it's just literally the gap that you can fit between them. And 4 to 8 thousandths is the range, and that's totally acceptable. A little more, you're just gonna have a little less pressure. These are flush with each other, and I don't have a straight edge to put across here to show. But I suspect if you were to shine a light behind it, you'd see a little gap. But yeah, these protrude just a hair past the housing. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it.